Hello there, thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and we are back at doing reviews of harvest hosts. Don't know what a harvest host is. Basically, if you've got an RV or need some place to sleep, even a tent camper, it's not like a hotel place to sleep, but there's places that have people that have places like this, lots of gravel, and they'll let you park here for free overnight. A lot of times they'll have a little store, and they would appreciate the you going in there, giving them some hospitality and purchase something from the store, but it's not mandatory. And right now we're in here, and I haven't heard that we need to wait for anybody else, but I just saw another RV coming right around this guy here. There he is. Probably won't come in here and park too. I just got a good place in the shade, and I'm not moving. But anyway, we're gonna give you a review of this this harvest host here called Funny Farm. Show you what it's all about, and just in case you're in the area and you think about coming to the harvest host, the Funny Farm harvest host, right here in Cheney, Washington, which is southwest of Spokane. Or is that Spokane? Spokane, Washington. But anyway, come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, a harvest host edition. This is kind of the reason you come to a harvest host, although it is hot out here. It's in the 90s out here today, but and this electric fence, don't touch that. But you get to see horses up close. This one's got a screen mask on. Most of those would keep the flies away, although I don't see a ton of flies out here right now. But some horses get infections, and so they'll put a mask. He can see through it just fine. For a distance, looks like he's got a hood cover and can't see nothing. But there's another one. Actually, it might be a cow out that way. We're going to go see some more animals here in just a minute. So basically, they don't want you going through gates that are locked. Like this one here says, do not open without Diana. So I'm not going to open it if this was already locked, because they probably have animals they corral in here, and there's none in this one here. But there's a pig over there. We're going to check out that pig in a little bit. I want to show you the bunny rabbits. Oh, it's a pretty bunny rabbit. That's one of those velvets. That's a velvet, all right. Pretty. Those are really soft. I can't wait to pet that one. And I got a whole bunch more on this side. Bunny rabbits. I like bunny rabbits. There's a whole bunch more down here. More velvets, it looks like. You can tell by their hair. Their hair is like really soft, like cotton. Like the cottontail. Maybe that's how Peter Cottontail got his name. Probably so. Oh, there's a piglets. Oh my goodness. I'll have to go around the other side. Check out the piglets. Oh, there's piglets right here on the side. Wink, 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 wink. Wink, wink. Boy, they smell great. If you could just smell them, it'd be awesome. They got piglets. Hi, piglet. They ain't gonna hurt you. They ain't got no teeth. Well, they might have one or two, but they're a little skittish. We're gonna pick one up here in a little bit, I assure you. Oh, they're the cutest things. Piglet. This is actually the reason why we came to this one, because on their profile they've got pigs. We saw that. They're skittish though. I'm telling them they're gonna get me. Aren't these cool? See those little hangers under his chin? You see it? Yeah, that's what makes them a weddle. That's why they call them weddles. They're a different kind of little pig. Come here, little pig. That's the Explorer there. It's a little jumpy. It's gonna get away from me. Well, that let me pet it. Cute as hell. Sometimes they want you to sign in. Actually, I think they raise Dobermans here, so sometimes they want you to sign in. We may just do that here in a minute once they come out and say hello and everything. We told them we're going to be here at 3, and it's 2:45. So anyway, we're all good. There's our chickens. There's one of their dobies right there. See him through the fence? He's right there. Good looking chickens. Cool. Like chickens, like the spotted ones, are so different. Most chickens you see are white like this one here. Like the spotted ones. A little bit of character. He's a big doby. See him right there? A girl. What's that big doe be doing? Another one in there. That in there. That's like maybe a crossbreed. I don't know if that's a purebred right there, but the ears aren't cropped is what it is. Ears aren't cropped on that one. Female. She giving babies? Huh? Yep. She's got some pups. She's got pups inside. As big as her udders are. Cool. So she said this big old boy here, says you could look at his tusk. He's huge. She said you could pet him and everything. He said he'll sit for treats. He looks all wiry, don't he? You can't get this from a regular RV park, I'm just saying. Can't get this from a zoo half the time. I'm gonna reach over and pet him and see if he goes crazy. Nope, he's all wiry though. Boy, is he wiry. Like a steel wool almost, like a steel brush. He's rough. He's not something you want to pet. I mean, you could, but I'm just saying it's not real comfortable on the hands. He got a thing of shade. I like that. I've never seen one like that for a pig before. This is the papa boar here. All them little piglets on the other side. I tend to separate them once they have the piglets because they're not nice to piglets. They're not very good fathers. That's just part of what they do. They'll lay on them and everything else. Push them aside when it's time to eat. That's just part of the kind of animals they are, though. It's a good looking cuss, isn't he? Where's he at? Let me find him. We'll keep him closer. There he is. Boink. I'm out here trying to help feed this cow. Cheerios. Good looking cow, huh? Yep. No Cheerios today. He's like, that smells like feed. I won't take crap. Bunch of grains. I believe this is actually their Airbnb. So if you didn't have a place, you could actually come out here and stay in this little camper. Well, actually it's a mini home is what it is. It's one of those that looks like it could be a storage shed. Kind of nice little setup. Got a grill, water. I'm sure they got power going to it. Outside light. That's their Airbnb there. And that's her main home there. I think they're one of the rights where they got their dogs in because they raised the Dobermans. One more chickens in here that I saw earlier. They must have been inside the hen house. Were you all inside the hen house? You were laying out here in the dirt. Just a handful of Cheerios. Like about 10. Get them all coming over here looking. Well, there we sit. Drawbacks. There is no power or access to power or water or anything out here, but that's what you should expect at a harvest host. Every now and then you can't get power, like 110 power or something. They got a few. I think this actually belongs to them. And these are visitors. Of course, we're visitors, and they're visitors. They just pulled in. We got a good spot because it's shady. But it's a neat spot. Don't have a problem at all staying here again. If I happen to be coming through the area, it's free. It's a good level place to park, and that's always a good thing. Wish there were a few more trees to park around. Anyway. Well, the good news is we have service. So service as in internet service. I say internet, telephone. We're not big boondockers, so we haven't come to a harvest host in a very long time. I mean, it's been 2 years. We just rejoined because I thought we would use them, especially this trip across the top of the U.S. We've got this one tomorrow, and one in about 3 days we're going to go to. So we have about 4 total I'll be doing videos on. So be sure to be checking for them, and let's see what else I can find here at this harvest host. So the pros and cons about this particular harvest host. Price is right. It is about 6 miles, I guess a con base basically is 6 miles off of I-90, so it's a little far. The good news is the roads are easy to navigate, they're well paved, and all that good stuff. So you're not having to go down a really bad dirt road or something like that. Their driveway is got to watch some of the trees, and but it's, I mean, mine sits 12.6 or is 11.6. I think mine sits 11.6, and I didn't have any problem missing tree branches and stuff like that. So definitely a good thumbs up. They did advertise that they had goats, and we didn't see any goats here. There was a cow, of course you saw that, but anyway, it was a good stop. Definitely a memorable stop, since it was hot as all get out, and we didn't want to run our generator all the time, so it was a little warm. But anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out this Harvest Host if you're in the area. Because I'm gonna let you go because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. Harvest Hosted.